Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Solve the following. So what number should be divided by 700 to get 2500? So let's say this number is x. So x divided by 700 gives 2500. So we can write x divided by 700 like this. So this is equal to 2500. Now by cross multiplying we can say that x will be equal to 700 multiplied by 2500, and if we multiply 700 by 2500 we will get this value. So the required answer is 17,50,000. So we can say that the answer is 17,50,000.